Hey guys, welcome back to my channel today. So for today's video we are going to do a sweat proof, oil proof, budge proof summer makeup look. So yes, if you want to know that how you can do a look, a makeup look which actually use minimalistic products and which is sweat proof and which does not melt off easily in summers, then you just keep on watching the video. So guys, I'm going to start off with my matte fix plus. This is basically the prep and prime for the skin, since it's going to be the summer makeup look or summer makeup tutorial, sweat proof makeup. So I'm gonna do this. I'm just going to press it inside my skin now. I have not used anything on my face yet except for the toner, and then goes this matte prep and prime. And now I'm just going to moisturize my face using Cetaphil or Cetaphil, I don't know. So I'm going to use this cream. This is basically an ultra hydrating lotion and it is gliding perfectly. So I usually don't do the skin preparation on camera, but I am doing it because it's a sweat proof makeup, so you want to know all these steps also. So now I'm gonna go with my sunscreen. I'm gonna use my Lotus Sun Safe, and it is the SPF 20. I don't use like SPF 30, 40 and 50, and I'm taking a generous amount here also. This has some pink undertone, but I don't have any problem with it, but it is thick. It's really thick. Now for my primer, I'm going to use this Photo Finish Foundation Primer by Smashbox. Okay, and I'm going to directly dab it on my forehead. Okay, this will actually mattify your skin. Since I got enough hydration from the creams and the prep and prime, so I just want things to mattify now because we are doing a sweat proof makeup here. Now I also want to use a lip color on my lips because my lips are like dehydrated. Now my lips are the deserted lips this time. So now the skin is prepped. Now I'm gonna move on to the foundation. So you don't want to use a lot of foundation in the summertime actually. So I am using this foundation which is by Maybelline, the Super Stay foundation. This is the 24-hour Super Stay foundation. The review on this foundation is also up on my channel. You can click the link in the description, or you can click on the I button up there and you would be directed in the video. You can watch that also. Well, this foundation claims to be a sweat free foundation, so if you want to do a sweat free makeup, then yes, just take 1.5 pump, and this is gonna be for the whole face. Now I'm gonna just do the dotting part, and I'm gonna use less amount of product. I'm not gonna use lot of product. Now for the summer, I want my skin to look flawless, but at the same time the product should be minimal. That's how you won't sweat a lot. So I'm not gonna layer the foundation with gazillion of products. I'm just gonna use, you know, the most required product. Make also good. Make sure you use a damp beauty blender. I use a lot of Fix Plus when I want the longevity out of my makeup, and I want my makeup to be sweat proof. So I'm gonna just give my face one pump here. I love the fragrance of Fix Plus. I'm gonna use concealer on my face. We are not going too heavy with the concealer, just to cover this under eye situation. Little bit on the nose. There would be. Now that is just to brighten the under eye. Now I'm gonna go with my Milani setting powder, and I'm gonna set my under eyes with the same setting powder. Now I'm gonna move on to the eyebrows. I don't do eyebrows first before the eyeshadow, so I want to do the eyebrows first. Just combing the eyebrows. I'm gonna make it a minimal look. So yes, comb it thoroughly. I'm going to use this Fashion Brow Pomade to lightly fill my eyebrows. I don't want to go heavy with the eyebrows too, so I'm just gonna fill the areas which require the filling, just this most required part. So now for the eyeshadow, I'm gonna go with my Nykaa palette. This is the new launch by Nykaa, and this is their Just Wink It palette in the crushed berries. And I'm gonna take the shade right here. I'm gonna take this shade, okay, and I'm gonna lay it down on my lid. I'm using my Sigma E35 brush. So I'm laying this color on my lid as well as my crease area. It's just that I'm gonna use just single color for the today's look, and then I'm gonna go with one shimmer color because we are going to make it like super easy and super breezy for summers. Now I'm gonna use this pinky shimmer shade, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna apply it in the center of my lid portion, not lip, it's lid portion, and I'm gonna drag it little bit towards the inner corner. That's it. I'm not gonna apply it on the obviously outer side. It's just gonna be in the center and a little bit dragging on the inner side. I am going to use this eyeliner blue. This is my recent favorite, you guys know it. Now what I'm gonna do is that using this iconic kajal from Lakme, I actually used a little bit of kajal, and I actually forgot to show you guys this. So there is just a speck of kajal on my eye. So yeah, I had that kajal on the eye. Now I'm gonna use this is my Oriflame eyelash curler. I'm gonna use it on my eye. I just want to curl my lashes today because I don't do it that often. So I really wanted to do it. And so I am going to use this L'Oreal Lash Paradise mascara, and I am going to use it to thicken my eyelashes, and to hold that curl from the eyelash curler basically. Then I'm going to use this pinky color from Maybelline. This is their color show range, I guess. Yes, and I am going to use it on my cheeks, and with the Wet n Wild highlighter I'm going to highlight the high points of my cheek, little bit on nose, forehead, everywhere. I'm gonna use this shade from Anastasia Beverly Hills. This is their Ashton shade, and I'm going to fill those lips also. And then I am going to use my Matte Fix Plus just to set everything in place so that nothing moves around. There is a lot of Fix Plus in this video, so the makeup won't budge, okay? And then I'm just going to bounce my beauty sponge on my face, and we are done. So guys, that is it with the summer fresh makeup look, which is very sweat proof and it won't budge easily because we have used a lot of mattifying products first, and we have used a lot of Fix Plus, which won't make it move easily. So yes, if you try it at your home, then do tag me in your pictures, and I'm on Instagram. If you're not following me on Instagram, then here is the link. Follow me right now, okay? And we will meet in my next video. Till then, comment down that how did you find this makeup look. Do you feel that these products really make your makeup last long, oil free or budge proof? Do try it at home. I'm saying at home. Do try it and tell me your comments in the comment section, and I will meet you in my next video. Till then, stay happy, stay blessed.